What is up, guys? It's Nick P here, and today we are trading May 4th. Be with you. May the 4th. Be with you. I just found out today's May 4th. Cool. Right now I'm taking a look at my my holdings on Dogecoin. It shouldn't be anything, right? You know, it really isn't. Yeah, it's a fad, it's whatever. I'm also holding Six Flags stock and United Airlines stock, and plus day trading. Percentage wise, I have never made more than 50%. I put $70 into this account at about 30 some cents. It would be hilarious. I'm not even hoping, but it would be hilarious if the price went up to Bitcoin price. Put $70 in and become a millionaire. That'd be hilarious. I'd be amazed if it even goes halfway. I feel like that's what I'm suspecting, for it to come at least to 30 or 25 at most. How much would that be? I did a bunch of calculations here. So that would have to be 0.6. That's 15. Oh, that's only 9,000. 20,000? Which one do we do? 20,000 to yeah, let's do. So yeah. So, 20,000. So then 20,000 times our $70, 1.4 million. We'd be a millionaire. Which is, I don't care, but like, that'd be hilarious. Let's refresh it, see where it goes. 30 seconds ago. That's about the same, right? I have no idea. 34.93. Alright. 3 minutes into the video. Let's go ahead and load this stuff up. It's pretty cold today. Probably put on a sweater instead. Alright, it looks like a pretty hard trending day. Actual volatility almost. You see the thinness of those lines? How big those bars are? Okay. Whoa, actual volatility. Where'd this all come from? Interesting. Actual volatility going on, guys. Let's go. This is what we've been waiting for. So we're at the bare minimum of 320. This is the amount we need to actually start trading one contract. So we're in the end game now. If we can, we're at the beginning of the month, and according to our timeline trading thing, we begin trading one contract May 2021. So even though we've traded, technically and statistically speaking, we should not be able to make this or execute all this. But we're slowly increasing our account. We were at 270. Now we're $50 above that, which is a week of profit. Last week's trading canceled out 1 week's profit. So hopefully we're profitable this week. We're already down pretty bad, but not gonna be a Debbie Downer. Took a ton of trades yesterday. Just stopped early at 323, but we went all the way down to 320. So SM is 320. SM starting margin. That's what it is. 71 cents. Okay, cool. Let's go and take our trades. So goal and margin is 320 plus Oh, Vocaloid. Nope. I don't want to open up Vocaloid. Stop. That's going to open up anyway. That's where I do a lot of focal stuff. So after taxes after fees, we want the account to be $348.87. Yeah, it's gonna be a tough one. So it looks like a definite trending day. Pretty strong one. Barely any U's in here. So I'm gonna assume this is gonna be an actual strong trending day. I've been recording backwards and not saying anything. This is a strong trending day, and we have a massive push in this direction. That's gonna be overall trend down because moves with the overall direction. This day barely has any use, so that's gonna be overall trend down. You buy right there, and you actually would have got it. You scalped out, I think. So 3 ticks, yeah, right here, 39 3/4. All right. I'm gonna go brush my teeth before I make this mic all stinky. But yeah, it's extremely volatile day. Let's go. All right, we got a swing low, first entry, second entry. I'm not sure when 9:40, 30 seconds. Okay, so if this triggers within, we could probably take it. So I'm gonna go ahead and call this an overall downtrend because you got the move, two-legged move in that direction. So I'm gonna treat this overall downtrend. I'm gonna go for a buy here. I'm just waiting for the clock to turn. All right, 10 seconds. I think we're okay to place this. All right, it came all the way back down on the minute chart, but not on the tick chart. So I'm a little curious to see how this turns out. Probably shouldn't be taking this trade, to be quite honest. But we're still treating this as an overall downtrend. There's no level of support for people to even use to go long. So that's why we're treating this as an overall downtrend. Because it moves in the direction of the overall downtrend. It's going to have a lot more. Wait, but actually now we got 2 legs move in that direction. We're going to still go ahead and treat this as whatever you call it. Overall downtrend. This is probably a really bad trade. Probably. Now you got 2 legs up in that direction. Is that enough? Overall trend is still down. There's no evidence to back it up, but I have seen where we had the push and the move was just over. The overall trend is down is just over because you already had the 2-legged correction, and I think that's what might be happening here. But there's absolutely no evidence to back up the. Yeah, we're just gonna stay out of this trade just because of this part. I don't like the fact that it came all the way down to the almost the bar openings of these bar closes of these guys. So we'll just wait and see what this trade does here. So we would be buying at 75 right here, but it's simply because I have no idea what happens here. Like this is definitely not. Oh, there we would have got into the trade right here. Of course we would have got it, right? Alright, well, let's just see. Our scalp is 25 plus 3 ticks, so 1, 2, 3. Our scalp is right here. Pretty sure we would have got it. It's not the fact that I wasn't confident, it was the fact that I just didn't know like what would happen here or what to do in that situation. I would assume that overall trend would be down due to the fact of that move, but it already got corrected, so now I'm debating. Oh wait, hold on. 175 low. That's 2. Wait, 75 low? Oh yeah, 75 low. That was 25 low. Oh, it looks like it wouldn't have worked. So your scalp is 25 high. I mean 25 low right here. Literally where those bar closes. Alright, then we got a swing high first entry, second entry. we can actually go ahead and take something here. I think the move in the overall direction is going to cause FOMO. This is definitely going to cause FOMO, but overall trend down FOMO. So that's what we're going to treat it as. We're going to swing high, first entry, second entry here. I think this is, I don't think there's FOMO to sell. I think it's just going to be overall downtrend because it moves in the overall direction of the strong trending days. What's gonna declare the overall? I don't see any like strong U patterns. That's why I'm treating this as a strong trending day. Dang. We passed by one low, but I don't think it's staircase lows. Here we go. Or not. Alright, we pressed this low, but I don't think it was a significant low, to be quite honest. Here we go, we're in the trade. Oh boy. These are the bars we were used to back in the day. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. So either it's a 15%er or we are right. We could take that as a double top as well. And go, I didn't think there was FOMO in that. I'm gonna stick to our strategy and say there was no FOMO. And I think it was just a 15%. We did get stepped up by a couple ticks, so I think our strategy is right. I don't see a buildup of lows or so I think we're okay here. Yeah, I don't see any reason for there to be FOMO unless we pass by this low here. I guess I'm still calling that other one a 15%er also because it's a terrible first entry. Kind of a double top thing going on there. Oop, that's not what I was trying to do. Volatility is back. It's still our signal bar. Just gotta leave it there. This is one tick off, but we'll just chill here. And that's why we leave it where it is. Alright, unfortunately we don't have a entry here. But we broke past this low, so we're going to be continuing spikes on out of here. So if we get a second entry, that was a pretty significant low. It was kind of a spike, but it had trend on the tick chart. And lows there as well. There's existing lows in there. So, and a pretty solid trend too, if you consider the highs and like the bouncing in between. I'm not sure how we got stopped out there. So this one I'm kind of confused. This one would have stopped us out if we got into that trade as well. Looks like overall trend is actually up there. So yeah, that corrected that move. And overall trend is going to be up because people are trying to find a reason to go long, and plus it's also a bottoming pattern, so maybe we can add that into the strategy. But two-legged move in that direction, I think that might actually cause uptrend to be up, and then you'd sell there. All right, we got a first entry here, but it came all the way back down to this low, so I don't like that setup. All right, so no longer being able to continue spikes because it looks like this guy's gonna just stop this one out. But let's talk about this trade. We swing high first entry, terrible setup anyway. Second entry is here. Went for the buy because the overall trend should have been down, but also here, so it looks like overall trend is actually, or one, there must have been FOMO in here we just don't see. Could have been staircases, perhaps, but looks like there was a pretty significant low here for this to cause FOMO. I just don't see it, in my opinion. Missed out on something for sure. Otherwise, that's just a 15%er in our book. Two 15%ers, maybe one 15%er. There could be a trend here that we can't use. I don't know. Something like this, maybe. Perhaps. Oh, those highs are matching up really well. I don't know. Alright, but here's our setup. Overall trend's just going to be down. Unfortunately, there's nothing in our setup to sell. So, here we are. We'll go for the non-obby. Okay. And here we are. Nice try. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Man, all of the trades we wanted to take, this one, and this one, just all lost. There's something wrong with our strategy. Something we missed for sure. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Looks like we might have to implement that one strategy of doing this. So overall trend would have been up, and then we would have sold right there. I think it's time, but there are some trades that we try to do it and it doesn't work out. So we do have to find the fine line. Are we ready to implement that? Because if so, we had world trend could be up again here. Let's do one more trade. We're already below a significant amount. We went all the way back down to the lowest we've ever been. So might as well give it a shot. Not gonna lie, I thought we actually had this guy. But we were actually onto something this whole time. So it's a setup we don't like, but in the reverse. We've never seen it in the reverse side, so maybe we could take it. Overall trend's up, nonetheless. So I think selling here at a non-obvious. Okay. The trigger. Oh. We could also sell on the other end. It's a swing low, first entry, second entry. Alright, this is the only time we're going to try this strat of hit these lows. Means overall turn this up. That's the only time we'll try it live. Can it save us? And we're in the trade. Kind of have hope on this one. I have faith. I think this is gonna spill here. And that's why we haven't implemented it in our strategy. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Probably should have just did it exactly opposite of everything we tried. I'm gonna go ahead and write these down here. Might as well just watch the market as I do. Second entry long. Thoughts. Oops. Yeah, super down. 2 losses in a row. We're looking if we can break even this week. Or get 1 profitable day. Literally, because if we get 3 profitable days in a row, like hitting our goal, like actual goal, we'll technically for the week only have 1 profitable day. Actually, no, not even, because we went negative 45, so. At least we got the spill. Alright, I'm trying to think about these trades again. Double tap, I guess. I think that one's kind of a bad trade, but even here to swing low first entry, second entry, yeah, that could be an overall uptrend. So this one was just kind of a 15%er. I don't see any particular lows that we built up to, and I mean the swing low first entry, second entry, unless since we tried to implement this into our strategy, maybe it was a little bit different. I think it was like this. No, wait. But even then, I would say that's still pretty much inside the. It's like far fetching it. I feel like, I don't know. Yeah, I guess technically we can't just shave off those. So if we did something like this, I mean, I guess, and reacting to the midline there, yeah, pretty much. So maybe that was like a break. Then we had, that's one we never tried before, but overall trend we thought was up, but maybe it was a break. So we kind of exclude that guy. But here we got a swing low first entry, second entry. Maybe we'll keep going, because why the hell not? Overall trend is down. Let's go for a buy at 75. Or here as well. Move with the overall direction. Overall trend's gonna actually be down, so yeah, we go for a buy. Let's move this closer. So we got a whole point and 2. So point and 2. Boy, oh boy. What is wrong with us? Why are we so bad at day trading now? So, okay, let's figure this out. I'm done. I'm not. I don't know what I'm going to do now. This is the lowest our count has ever been. Ever. We got 4 trades losses in a row. Man, what happened to our strategy? Are we that bad? World trend, I thought it was down because you have a move with the overall direction. A ton of resistance there, so we went for the swing high. First entry, second entry, we bought right there and got completely stopped out. We bounced at a level of resistance as well. Let's see what would happen if buying here. I don't know. I'm done. That's a pretty significant low. I would sell there. But our strategy has not been working at all, so I'd be scared too. Let's see what happens in the trade. Our stop would be, so 50 low, 2, 4, 6, 7, and 2 tick. So right here. Even if this works, it's just one trade that works coincidentally. And yeah, we would have got stopped out there as well. So our strategy just completely stopped working. Everything we do is completely wrong now. Yeah, we couldn't be more wrong than that. I guess it's not really a build up, yeah, it's just lows. So overall trend was just down there. Pretty what-they-do lows. Alright, that's it for me. Yeah. Hope you guys have a nice day. And yeah. Peace out.